My name is Nima Badiey. I head up business development for Cloud Foundry at Pivotal Software. Pivotal Software is a software company based in San Francisco and Palo Alto, and we exist at the intersection of platform as a service, which is the application layer on top of infrastructure, and big data. So traditionally what happens is most enterprises who are trying to build the third generation of applications have struggled with trying to figure out how to enable their companies to automate their DevOps cycles. Oftentimes what they have is an institutionalized approach where the application developers who actually own the applications don't have the responsibility or the authority to push their applications into the cloud or to create services for those applications. And the downside of that is that it takes much longer for them to build new ideas and take those ideas to market in the form of new software or new software as a service. So what we try to do through software, through Cloud Foundry, is to shorten that period between the two handoffs and actually put the power of building applications and launching applications, what we call the DevOps cycle, in the hands of the person who owns the application, which is the business unit and the application developers. And what we've been able to do through Cloud Foundry and Pivotal Cloud Foundry, as well as some of our big data services such as Hadoop, Greenplum, Hawk, Redis, and RabbitMQ, is to give them a full turnkey cloud solution that can exist both in the on-premise enterprise space as well as in the public infrastructure and public cloud that gives them complete ubiquity. So now, the star of the show is really the application developer, and they don't have to worry about working on plumbing anymore. They really focus on what's important to them, which is the core development. And what can you build on top of Cloud Foundry? And this is kind of the reason we're here at Structure. It's everything. So it's mobile, web, IoT applications. Everything now starts to look like converged infrastructure. Everything is a workload or an application or a task or a long-running process. I don't have to have my discrete different mobile MBAS service, which is separate from my cloud service, which is separate from the IoT systems. Everything that I build is built on consumption of services, discrete services, APIs from my IoT gateway. Mobile backend services such as geolocation, geofencing, messaging, application services such as database, application monitoring, push notifications, email. Everything is a discrete service, and I can very quickly build applications and cobble them together using these services as opposed to writing these monolithic stacks myself. The net result is I can get applications out of the door 90% faster and much, much less cost and with fewer resources. I can be a lot more competitive. I can get time to market ahead of my competition. I can build a larger and more meaningful portfolio of services. I don't have to wait 6 months to get the next software version of the thing that I really want today. So that's what we enable at Pivotal, and we're really proud to be here at Structure. To find out more about Pivotal, go to www.pivotal.io and click on any of the links. If you have any questions, follow us on Twitter at Pivotal and at Cloud Foundry.